Top 10 Bollywood movies that will release on digital platforms. As the nationwide lockdown is getting extended, many filmmakers are facing a great loss as they are not able to release their movies. Let us have a look at those movies which will be released on digital platforms. Gulabo Sitabo. Ayushmann Khurrana and Amitabh Bachchan starrer Gulabo Sitabo is all set to get released on digital platform on 12th of June. Makers have decided to release the movie on Amazon Prime Video and fans are really not happy with this decision. Ludo. Anurag Basu's movie with an ensemble cast like Rajkumar Rao, Aditya Roy Kapoor, Abhishek Bachchan, Fatima Sana Sheikh, Sania Malhotra also got delayed. As per current reports, makers have decided to release it on Netflix soon to avoid the loss. Shakuntala Devi. Biopic of famous mathematician popularly known as Human Calculator, Shakuntala Devi stars Vidya Balan, Sania Malhotra. It was supposed to release on 8th May. The makers of the movie has decided to release it online on Amazon Prime Video. Lakshmi Bomb. Akshay Kumar and Kiara Advani's horror comedy movie Lakshmi Bomb was supposed to get released on 22nd May in theatres. But because of the current situation, the makers are talking with the Disney Plus Hotstar to release the movie at digital platform. Jhund. This biopic of the founder of NGO Slum Soccer, starring Amitabh Bachchan in the lead, was all set to release on 8th May. But reports suggest that the makers have decided to release it on digital platforms after the post-production's works get done. Gunjan Saxena. The biopic of Indian Air Force pilot Gunjan Saxena, starring Janhvi as lead, was ready to be screened at theatres on 25th April. But because of lockdown, it got delayed and now the makers are thinking to release it online to avoid huge loss. Khali Pili. Ananya Pandey and Ishan Khattar starrer action romance movie Khali Pili was all set to release on 12th of June. But as the current reports are suggesting, this movie will be released online on Netflix soon. Mimi. Kriti Senon and Pankaj Tripathi starrer Mimi is about the struggle of a surrogate mother. It was supposed to release this year. But the makers have decided to release this movie on Disney Plus Hotstar after the post-production works get over. Shiddat. Radhika Madan, Mohit Raina, Sunny Kaushal, Dinah Penty starrer Shiddat's shooting is already complete. The filmmakers of the movie has decided to release it after post-production works on digital platform. Indu Ki Jawani. Kiara Advani and Aditya Seal starrer Indu Ki Jawani is about a girl and her adventures regarding dating apps. This movie was supposed to get released on 5th June, but now the makers are in talk with Netflix to release it online. Shershah. Siddharth Malhotra and Kiara Advani starrer Shershah is based on the life of Paramveer Chakra awardee Captain Vikram Batra. The film was expected to release on 3rd July, but as per reports, it will get released digitally on Netflix. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.